Yut permilang tatong dapat sanay kag nanggarambulanay ya. Kita mo na mga upo daw. Taga kita ay tatong permi tatong nanggarambulanay ya. Natakana gid ya. Nantawas lablaw. Huwag ka na luoy. Parehas mo lang ito mga ilonggo. Nagasloy ay tato niya. Patindog taliwat grupo bla.
Group Street Gang.
Ayos ah.
Mayo pa. Group Street for Life. Ano sa inyo guys?
Sige ah.
Dahil sa ating tatay may birthday sa man to.
Sige ano handa nyo tao?
Timing ganyan nagluto to dance na ng Jollibee. Pasensya lang ta.
Kubala si Limno na. Pasensya gid.
Video kay to dayon sa balay may video kay yan. Toto kami makanta tas ta magaga.
Hindi to pagigan tatay mao.
Hindi na. Ako bala kay tatay kulbaan na sa akon.
Ops. Ako gali si OG Crepes. Dalaw-dalawa nyo man to ang YouTube channel ko. Subscribe nyo na lang ko dayon. Sino nagatagay da subong? Shout out. Hindi nyo ko Samtang ginalantaw nyo ng video ni tagay ta. Hindi nyo palipatan subscribe channel ko Samtang magbukas ka mo na isang whiskey. Ulaan nyo na yung duta. Para hindi ka mo palapitan ka COVID. Ulaan nyo kaduwa.
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. And if a get an attitude, pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean down and I'm full of best cause I got it going on. I'm a gangster, but y'all knew that. The big boss dog, yeah, I had to do that. I keep a flag hanging out my backside, but only on the left side. Yeah, that's the side. Ain't no other way to play the game the way I play. I cut so much you thought I was a DJ. 2, 1, yep, 3. SC and double OP, Ego double G. I can't fake it, just break it. And when I take it, see, I specialize in making all the girls get naked. So bring your friends, all of y'all come inside. We got a world premiere right here, not get live. So don't change the diesel, turn it up a little. I got a living room full of fine dime bristles, waiting on the pistol, the diesel.